Hope you enjoyed the build, guys.
Now this is the new project for me. Dad's gonna paint it pink. Hi, it's been 3 years since the
Last
video for my bike. Now we're looking for paint for the bike. Dad's gonna paint it pink. Where are we gonna?
We're gonna paint it pink. So maghanap lang kami kung anong shade ang gusto ni Lauren. Sabi niya kasi siya yung pipili eh. Here, baby, look. There's two colors I found. There's this one. It's kind of purplish, and this one is the pink. Diba? The pink, the purple is nice, no?
Yeah.
Oh, you choose what color?
Pink.
Pink pa rin? Are you sure?
Oh wait, hold on.
That's not the color, huh? The color after
this
is
one?
this one. This is kind of like a neon one.
Neon pink.
And this is kind of mild pink. Mild orchid. For me, if I'm gonna choose, I'll choose this one. But it's your call.
This one.
Yeah, that one is nice. Good. This one na lang?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost 3 years na din bago namin nagawa tong bike. Parang May 2021 namin nagawa yung video na pipinturahan namin yung bike ni Lauren na pink. Kaya lang, nakita naman sa video, hindi maganda yung naging shade nung pink na nakita namin. So, ang nakuha namin color is parang medyo violet lilac siya na orchid yung pangalan eh. Wait lang, kunin ko. Ito siya. Ayan, orchid. Medyo purple ang kulay niya. Anyway, so parang ito na lang yung ikukulay namin dun sa bike. Tapos, hindi naman to talaga kailangang high-end restoration. So, para lang magamit din ni Lauren yung bike since magsa-summer. Para may kasama din ako mag-bike. Ito siya. Ayan siya. Okay, babe. We're gonna paint it purple. Diba? Okay. So, which ones are purple? This one is purple, right?
Yeah.
Stay here. There. This one's purple.
Yeah.
How about the fork? This one.
Yeah.
This one also purple.
Yeah.
This one is black. The tire, the wheels, still black. Everything black. So this one's purple and this one's purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's purple also.
Yeah. Which one?
That one, that one.
Yeah. The whole frame will be purple.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll paint it purple. Frame and fork purple. The reds are black. Let's do this. Okay, sa ngayon, kakalasin ko muna siya, lilinisan ko, tapos pinturahan ko siya, tapos hindi ko na siguro videohan katulad nung ginawa ko dun sa bike ni Jacob na BMX. Pero videohan ko na lang siya siguro pag may time na habang pinipinturahan ko, tsaka pag binubuo ko na yung bike. Hopefully matapos ko to kagad para magamit na rin ni Lauren yung bisikleta. Okay, we're gonna buy parts for Lauren's bicycle. Sana mabili namin lahat ng kailangan. Kung wala, we'll just buy online. So there's may mga seats here. Medyo dark lang dito. Patingin.
Magkano yung container na?
150. Ito, pwede na to.
O sige, 130 na lang.
Sige, sabi ko.
Wala kang itim lang.
Wala, ito lang.
Ito magkano to? 400. Mahal to. Yung ganito magkano? Walang itim na ganito. Magkano to? 200. How about this, babe? You want this for your bike?
Sure.
Can we get this one na? Pwede naman to, no? Tapos, meron kang single speed na chain.
What's that circle thing on
Where?
the circle thing?
Where?
The like that thing. Is that
The
the
sprocket,
gear?
this one?
Sprocket.
Yeah, we only have one speed eh. We'll just have it clean.
Meron pala.
Patingin.
Pero nga.
Ooh.
Itim din eh.
Oo nga.
Patingin, puti.
Pero parang mas itim po yung isa.
Magkano yung ganito?
150 lang din.
O sige, kunin ko na itong review. Single speed ba to o 11 o 10? O single?
Single po.
Sige. Nakabili kami ng ibang parts, pero wala silang tires. So maghahanap ako ng tires at saka inner tube. Sana may makita kami dito na parts para doon sa bike ni Lauren. We'll check sa ibang shop. We'll check on the other shop if they have tires and ano. We need tires and inner tube. Ano pa ba? We got seats now. We got
Gear. Do we have gear?
no. We'll
We
have
have a
it. Check.
brake?
We'll have the wheel set check na lang pala kay Buboy if he can re-grease the hubs and the sprocket para we can use it again naman kasi maayos pa naman yung wheel set eh. Okay. Okay, so natapos ko nabili yung mga parts para sa bike. Ito na yung bike, purple siya. Hindi ko na na-videoan yung pagpintura namin. Pero natapos ko siya. Tapos bumili ng ibang parts. Bumili ng bagong stem kasi gusto kong pagana tong extra kong expander bolt na hollow. Since single brake na lang si Lauren. Front brake na lang kami. Tires, ni-refurbish na lang namin. Bumili ng bagong set ng tires. Inner tube bago. Tapos pinare-align ko. Okay din yung mechanic namin. Pininturahan niya ng itim yung hub. So parang fresh yung itsura niya. Yung sprocket, ginrasahan na lang namin. Handlebars, nilinisan ko. Bumili kami bagong pedals, brake, chain, seat. Bago na rin. And the crank. So bubuhayin ko na lang muna siya. Hindi ko lang sure kung mabivideohan ko. Medyo makulimlim eh. So baka buuin ko na lang sa loob ng bahay. Tapos pakita ko na yung itsura niya after. Okay. Okay, na-finish ko na rin yung build. Maulan kanina eh. So sa loob ko ng bahay inassemble yung bike ni Lorendo. Maganda yung kinalabasan. Matagal na rin kasi siyang natambak eh. So from doon sa unang-unang video, napipinturahan ko siya ng pula sana. Natambak siya, kaya doon sa viral kanina, parang lumang-luma na itsura niya. So at least ngayon, na-refresh yung itsura ng bike. So ito na yung itsura niya ngayon. Yan. Gaya ng sabi ni Lauren, purple, tapos black lahat. Yan si Lauren. Ano babe? You like it? Yeah. So you go beside your bike na. There. So ano yung bike niya. Ito lang yung dinagdag namin actually. Para nakaka-bar spin kahit papano. Though wala namang trick si Lauren na alam. Pero para lang may accent. Though hindi ako natuwa dun sa brake. Sa front brake, parang hindi siya gumagana ng maayos kasi syempre ano lang to eh. Galing sa mall bike lang yung brake niya. So plano kong palitan. So far, ito lang yung nakikita kong gusto kong palitan. The rest, okay naman. Pwede naman gamitin ni Lauren. The tires, rims, the hubs, crank, okay na. The chains are nice. Pedals, siguro hanggang sa masira. Pero basically, okay na. Itong upuan, pwedeng palitan. Pwedeng ito na rin kung masisira niya. Handlebars are fine. So, yun siya. You like it, babe? You like the build? Alright. So here. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the build. Did you enjoy the build, babe?
Yeah.
Alright. So ngayon, gagamitin na lang namin. Though maulan, so hopefully, if there's no rain, we go biking. Okay, we go biking. Till the next video.